Happy graduation, Dar. Saan pumunta si mama?
Bumili ng tubig.
Bumili?
Tubig.
Bumili? Happy graduation. Happy graduation, kuya.
Kuya daw.
Nung sa kay lola mo nung 2001
Kasama yun kasi minsan lang naman eh.
sa PICC.
Para maano naman yung parents, matuwa naman.
Alam mo yung hapon, sobrang dami.
Ano ba to?
Pa-video daw.
Parang hindi palikod yan.
Hindi, dito harapan ko. Tama.
Baliktad, nanay magaganyan dapat eh. Papansin din to eh. Oh. Ito muna, lagay mo to. Ay, yung wood.
Tama yun, tama yun.
Yung wood. Yung wood kunyari.
Kaliwa.
Kanan mo.
Baliktarin mo muna eh.
Stop. Stop muna. Kayo naman. Linares Antipolo.
I-live mo lang.
Rodriguez.
Bachelor of Science in Criminology.
Lahat ang may ribbon!
Alright.
I-election lang po natin yung may naka-ribbon po. Pero mamaya
Cream po, cream. Puno na.
Ano ba po?
Sa dulo, sir, meron.
Wala po sir eh. Wala pong mapuno po dito.
Okay.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Salamat.
Thank you po. Wala po sir. Wala po Baka pagka may sobra sa
Pwede na tayo dito.
Sana naman, hindi naman tayo kasama sa...
The moment comes, the battle's fixed. But I give flying to the listening ears. And when I reach the solid water, on some soul was the next side. Through every tear and every scar, I Students, please remain standing. Our dear parents, faculty, staff, administrators, and dearest guests, you may now be seated.
Music is the expression of the soul. It moves the emotion and fills with movement of tears. Ladies and gentlemen, our dear graduates and friends, now also back to enjoy as we hear the graduate class of 2025 in sing a song entitled Dreams We Hold.
That is why when the President appointed me as National Security Advisor, one of the first things I did was to move away from the traditional military security and to talk about human security. I want each one of you to feel secure about getting out of your home and coming back alive. That is the bad that person now in the Washington D.C. does not want to go to war. And I think that this one comes from him. Of course, there's many reasons, but let's not pay attention to this. Okay, why is it that when you look at the program, you notice that the title of the program is a commencement? So are you saying your parents are asking?
Listed on me by Wesleyan College of the Philippines Academic Council and in accordance with the standards set forth by the Commission on Higher Education with all the rights, honors, and privileges as well as the obligations and responsibilities pertaining to it. I therefore confer your graduation. Congratulations!
At this juncture, dear graduates, the merit you have been waiting for has finally come. The fruits of your hard work will finally be presented as a symbol of your success.
For the information of everyone, you will receive the original and authenticated copy of your diploma. And to officiate the distribution of diploma, we request our college dean, program heads, and the faculty of the
Ayan, aray ko baby. Danda lang baby ko. Ayan, massage ba yan? Ayan, baby ko, ang galing mag-massage. Oh. Ouch. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng foot massage. Oo nga, magaan lang si Yancy, magbagaan
Sige yan,
lang.
pwede yan.
Wag, mabaka putulin yung mga buto-buto ko.
Dali, ano yung masiligan?
Ikaw lang.
Dali, pwede yun. Inapakan niya yung likod ni Tita Abe eh.
Oh, ganon?
Baba ko.
Ay, ikaw na lang.
Tuturuan ko siya.
Ikaw na lang.
My utmost effort to support its projects and activities and do my best to keep its good name in all my professional acts. I likewise solemnly pledge that in all my undertakings, I shall conduct myself as worthy member of the association. So help me God.
Please remain standing for the Pledge of Loyalty. I would like to call on stage the outgoing Senator, Ms. Mary G. Saroga, cum laude.
Si Lolo.
Pilotin
Saan
niya.
tayo dadaan? Hoy! Dito tayo dadaan!
Ayun tayo, hinuntan ni.
Kaming!
Pilotin niya ako ni.
Hoy! Master Sprinkle!
Ay, hinuntan mo eh.
Sabi. Ikaw na! Kumakit ka na dun. Dito na ako! Tapos na!
Ang galing ah. Kaya maghilot. Nawala yung sakit ng katawan ko.
Tapos na!
Ang galing maghilot. Ayan, galing ka. Yan.
Tapos na! Tapos na! Wala.
Sarap. Sarap paghilot ng katawan.